Robin from North Carolina. 20 minutes daily of Tai Chi and Qigong with Lohan padding has helped me with balance and stress relief. Last year, my balance was off, and my job was very stressful. I started Tai Chi and Qigong lessons on YouTube and noticed that I felt calmer throughout the day when I completed my daily routine. Also, my balance got better. In the future, I hope to complete my instructor certification so I can share with seniors and beginners. Shania and her daughter from New York. Shania and her daughter do the movements together. They even made a video together. She shared that it helps us listen to the ancestors and make decisions about our day, and strengthens us in mind, body, and spirit. R.C. from Maryland. I combined some basic Tai Chi movements to my regular practice and found it was a powerful boost in several ways. The simple, slow movements cover a much wider range of motion than I had expected and leave me physically relaxed. Then, combining the physical movements with energetic martial arts visualizations provides calming and energizing benefits in both mental and emotional ways. I think these techniques can be helpful across a wide range of physical and spiritual practices. Jenny from Michigan. After my second hip replacement at 44, I dove into doing Tai Chi and Qigong as part of my recovery. Both helped me manage my rheumatoid disease, and they improved my flexibility, strength, and balance. In general, I feel and move much better for the first time in over 20 years. And an added bonus from doing Qigong is that I feel more clear and calm in my mind. May you find a healing path that works for you.